Hello and welcome to another video of our series on how to use Datacake in the best possible way. In the series of the next two videos, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to create global dashboards and how you can make the most out of them to be able to display the data in the most beautiful way possible. So I'm going to show you right now how you can organize your global dashboards using the configure sidebar and how you can create different folders to organize your dashboards. And I'm also going to show you what edit dashboard metadata means and how you can use it to display exactly as you want, how you can create tabs, how you can share your dashboards, and so on. So let's get started. So now let's dive into the videos to explain how you can structure your workspace. And Datacake has certain tools to do that on an easy way. And sometimes it can be tricky, but once you know these tips and tricks, you will be able to configure and structure your workspaces in the best possible way, I promise you. After this video, you're gonna have a lot of information. So we have on the left side menu, you're gonna see that we have the add dashboard. And if you hover to the right, you're gonna see that you have a configure sidebar. And those are two different buttons. So the configure sidebar actually allows you to create folders that will allow you to structure your global dashboard and classify them into different areas. So let's dive into it. And when we click on it, you're going to get a new pop-up window where you can give your folders names. So in this case, for example, we are going to create a folder that's called measurements because we want to create a couple of dashboards inside of it that are showing different measurements or different kinds of sensors. And we're going to create that folder. And now, for example, let's say that we want to create another folder called offices, let's say. And now these ones are two folders. You can later on modify the names and you can also remove them if you don't need them anymore. These are not deleting any information, it's only the folder. So if you remove them, all of the dashboards that are eventually inside of that folder, they're gonna still exist. They're just gonna go out of the folder and the folder will be removed. So that's something to have in mind. Now we can save that. And now on the side, you're gonna see measurements and offices, and both are empty. So now we're going to add some dashboards to add into these folders. So now instead of clicking on the right side, we're going to click on the add dashboard side, and we're going to say, for example, we want to create an air quality dashboard. And for now, we're leaving everything else exactly as it is. We're going to click on add dashboard. And you can see that this dashboard has no content yet, it's empty. And we are going to add another dashboard, and this dashboard is going to be the dashboard for the servers, for example, and we're gonna add it. And now you can see that you have the folders and you have the dashboards. When you click on the folders, there's nothing. And when you click on the dashboards, you're going to see that you're entering the dashboards, but there's nothing there right now. So now, as third step, we're going to go again to configure sidebar, and we're gonna drag and drop our dashboards to be inside of the subfolders. And now, as you can see on measurements, I created the air quality dashboard, and in offices, I created the servers dashboard. So now when you go out, you're going to see that you can clap them and have them inside of their respective folders. So now I want to create an air quality dashboard, and I'm going to show you some super important aspects to know that are a little bit different to device dashboards. So when you go on edit mode, you are going to see that you have some different elements in here. You have the add widget, which is a very normal add widget. So this allows you to select which widgets you want to add to your dashboard. That's something that we already know from the device dashboard. But you also have this area called the edit dashboard meta. And that allows you to, one, for example, modify the name of the dashboard. It allows you also to modify the elements, the icons, and so on. It also has an access area that allows you to say who has access or permission to see this dashboard. You can select all workspace members. You can also say, I only want selected members of this workspace to have access to this dashboard. And you also can select anyone with a link, and this will create a link that you can copy and paste and you can share with people that don't have a Datacake account necessarily, and they will have access to this specific dashboard. Now, another really cool feature that we just added not that long ago is the home dashboard. And this, when you activate it, allows that the dashboard is the first view that customers or your users get to see when they log into Datacake. So when you select this one, you're going to see a little house appearing next to the name of the dashboard, and that's because that dashboard is the home of your account. And another super cool thing about global dashboards is that you can add tabs to them. That allows you to create small dashboards inside of one same dashboard. So in here, for example, you can have an overview tab, and you can have a floor plan tab, and you can also have a table tab, for example, and you can have different widgets in each of these tabs. So when you click on Update Dashboard, you will see that now you have 3 different tabs. You can see the little house that I was talking about before, and you can see this is a public dashboard. And yeah, so now you're all set to start creating your dashboards, but now you know how to organize them and how you can structure your workspace to look exactly as you want it to look. Yeah, to have different areas and to be able to manage them in the best possible way for your business and for how you want to display the data that your device provide. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and the following video is going to be super helpful, get you some tips and tricks on how you can create the global dashboards, the differences a little bit between the device dashboard and the global dashboard inside of the widget configuration, and I'm gonna also show you how you can copy and paste dashboards so that it is easy process for you, or the easiest that it can be, and that you can take advantage of what Datacake has to offer by displaying data. So thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned.